Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the PDF not opening in Microsoft Edge issue really quickly and without any advanced technical skills. So drop a like and now let us get started. So in the first step guys, before you launch the Microsoft Edge web browser on your computer, make sure that you have installed an application or software on your device that is able to open PDF files or documents on your device, like for example the Acrobat Reader or Microsoft Word, and that you're using the newest version or the updated version of the software so that you can open these PDF documents whenever you download them through Microsoft Edge. Now that hasn't fixed the issue and you keep getting the notification here in Microsoft Edge that unfortunately you couldn't download and open the PDF file. Simply follow my instructions guys. Basically what you want to do on Edge is click on these three dots in the top right corner of your home screen and click on settings to access your browser settings. And here inside your settings, take a look at that panel to the left and head over to this section, cookies and site permissions. And what you want to do here guys is simply scroll down a bit till you get to the all permission section. And here in the all permission section, simply look for PDF documents. It should be somewhere here. There you have it. So click on it or on that arrow to the right icon here. And in the last step, make sure that this option here at the top is disabled or turned off. Always download PDF files so that you don't download these PDF documents or files on autopilot, and that the option below PDF view settings is enabled by switching it on here to the right. And that should fix the issue guys. I hope I could provide you with some quality content. Let's call it a day here. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on our channel.